2023-12-19. New Year and a New Continent. Thailand, Prachwap Kirakan. Christmas Eve is only days away, followed by New Year's the following days. This chapter of the book is coming to an end and I am shortly bouncing forward into the future with my sights set on another continent. There is a vague plan, but it is there and this gives me something to do, planning ahead. I knew that Asia would be tricky, but I hadn't expected that it would be impossible, almost inhospitably difficult to get an everyday life. But I tried. Will I come back? In that case, to southern Thailand, 'cause I do enjoy it here. I have a couple of jobs in another part of the world that would give me the opportunity to be with a motorcycle in Spain within a few months. But to do that, an extremely quick visit to Sweden and get the driving license for I'm out again the same day I got it. Pack the bike and back to Spain where the friends are waiting. During the last few months, I have learned a lot, both about Asia and me personally. If I were to settle here, it would be further south. I personally have no capitalist interest, which you should have if you are going to live here. The opportunities to help build up the city are there for those who have and want to earn more money. My interest is not to collect money, it is to photograph and film, drive motorbikes, and have a beer with my feet on the table in the company of good friends. But Spain is like Greece, more at home, but even the winters there get cold. I know, but I consider cold as soon as you get even a little cold. So who knows, I had a thought about joining a ranch before, people laughed about it too. Today, most of them sit and freeze and complain that everything is so bad. Within a year I will have my accommodation, job, motorbike and car in Spain. Don't put the coffee on, I have no intention of even stopping to say hello. So, some 365 days left, that means full focus on me myself and I, Captain.